here is the level 3 beam routine for gymnastics. I'm gonna go through some tips that might help you out, and I'll show you the routine itself. So check it out, and then we'll go over what you should do and not do during your routine. And I'm Coach Megan. Woo woo. The twirly whirly, because I feel like there's so many circular movements. Whoever made it up must have just like done some kind of dance. So let's go over some main points right now. Remember, this is just gonna get easier with practice. I haven't, practiced this routine much because I'm not competing it right now, but I'll feel what my body does and share with you. So for the mount, they just want to see you go continuously into that straddle. So they don't want to see like this. Make it flowing. So you really got to push off this left arm. My routine, by the way, is all right. If you're a lefty, just switch it up. And you really have to get this first leg up and push off the other one. Okay, because if you forget to push, it's harder. You're gonna push and continue that leg going over, and then lift those arms up quickly so it looks more spectacular. And always show it. Lift your chin, because if you go like this, it's just kind of. And then for this little mount up, squeeze your legs, lift your feet a little. I like to lean forward a little bit. Okay, and then after you lean, when you get your knee on, then you can pull your shoulders back on top of your hands. So feet up, lean forward. See how now I'm kind of like on top of myself? And then this, by the way, mine was a little shaky. This wooden beam is really woody, and it hurts, and it's not as easy as the regular beam. So I'm sure this will be easier on the regular one. Make sure to point this foot and look at this foot. I can't stand this foot when it's like that. It drives me nuts. Point. So when you do this, you have to push off your hands and pull your chest up at the same time. Sorry, arms here. And then for all these little doodads, you want to really work on your foot. See, my foot is pointed here. Okay? So look at the difference between this and this. I just lift my chin, I stretch my fingers. On all these things, stretch your fingers. Middle finger in, thumb in. Okay? And shoulders down. Then when you go into your handstand, just make sure your arms go from side to up. Bottom leg straight on all your kicks throughout the routine. Get this leg not in but turned out. Step out. Show this lever ears, pull your chest up. You don't want to see this. Okay, pull it up, nice and tight. Then really pop that heel in this. On this, you just have to squeeze your butt. Okay, and don't let it out. Pull it in. Whoa, keep your ankles. Keep your ankles tight. I'm a little wobbly today. Come on. Then for these releves, nice and tall, try and close your thighs together as tight as you can, and your arms, you don't want to hear, I think it looks better when you pull up, palms facing in, personally, with your fingertips rising into the clouds. Then on your rond de jambe, has to be 45 degrees, about this high. Make sure your front heel is not turned in, turn out, bottom leg straight. When you go to the side, don't do this, get your butt under. And then in the back, shoulders hips straight. Hold it for 1 second before you drop it. And then going into your lead, remember to bend this leg a little and chest up so you can lift in your lead. Think about holding your front leg up a little bit longer, and then the back leg comes 90 degrees, so about like that. Because if you drop your front leg right away, you're gonna have no lift. Keep the arms out. You really gotta push off this leg. Oh, and the leg straight. The leg swinging through, it doesn't bend. Chest up. You need to hold this arabesque like a pause. So think pause. On your jumps, think about just lifting up and keep your chest up. Eyes straight ahead. Once you look down too much, you can look down like at the end of the beam, but if you look down too much, well then, whoa. So keep shoulders, hips straight. Make sure your feet go at the same time. They want to see them pushing off together. And land with your butt under. Then in your pivot turns, just think same thing as before. Squeeze your thighs, butt, and ankles, and lift tall. Turn, they just want to see toe to your knee. Shoulders straight when you go. Hips straight. Lift straight up and really crank that heel. They want to see your foot going flat at the end. So you're on your toe, hold the ball, shoulders down, elbows up, and flat. And all these, just work on nice pointed toes. Really like open your chest, be the bird. And your kick, same thing as before in the other handstand, everything's exactly the same. Arms by your ears, show the lunge, the lever, and same as before, hit that imaginary wall. They just want to see you go to vertical. Okay, they want to see this position right here. Now when you do your quarter turn, keep your hand on the beam and complete the quarter turn. They don't want to see you miss it, like not go enough, or you don't want to overturn, you want to be right on the money. And this hand has to be here until your body passes the beam. Remember on that arabesque rond de jambe when you go, they want to see this also like continuous, so you don't want to stop and be like, okay, make it nice and flowy. And I forgot to say in that dismount, in your side handstand quarter turn, don't put your hands down at the same time. Make sure it's 1, 2. Okay, that was a horrible handstand. Oh my gosh. And just legs. Really, really, really tight legs, and always think of your feet. Chin up, shoulders down. And then you are finished and you're gonna get a 10.0. Yeah. Salute and great job. I wish you all the best of luck. Your level 3, you can do it. Remember, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more results you will see. Okay, here's your end of the video trick. And check out my app. All my videos are there, so you can find them easy. It's at the end of the video in the description.